wherever the enemy sees potential, he will always earmark it with calamity. Whatever trauma you went through in your life, in your childhood, was the enemy's way of earmarking the spot. He knew it wasn't time yet, but he started working underground before you ever came up, so that he would have his system in place before you became fruitful. He meant for your father to hate you. He meant for your mother to give you to your grandmother. He had to start the infrastructure early, because once you became fruitful, it would be too